What's up guys? Today I got this in the mail, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the Ipsy for this month. If you don't know about Ipsy, it's $10 a month makeup subscription and you get like little samples in it. This one's like super sticky. I got the pink one. Okay, so this is the bag for this month. I want to say that this is my favorite bag so far, just because it's not like super crazy and loud. It's kind of just like a monochromatic look with 3 different shades of pink. The back is just the darkest pink. No, the medium pink. Yeah, the medium pink. I'm gonna open it up. That's cute. It's like a little heart. The card in here is flying colors, and yeah. Oh, because of the LGBTQ plus month. We're just gonna jump right into the bag and I'm gonna grab something. It looks like I grabbed a lip tint. This is kind of cute. It looks like this. It says lip tint from Peri Para. Oh, okay, so it's from them. And I got the shade Cherry Juice, which is number 1. Slightly beat up, but that's okay. And it has a tip on here. It says lightly apply tint water as a lip base for a long wearing effect, or fully apply as your lip of the day. Ooh, this thing is tiny, but it is so cute. This looks like those little tiny Japanese, I guess toys where you like cook things really small. Look at how small this is. But it's so cute. It's like a little milk jug. Okay, and I was expecting a brush, but it isn't the doe foot applicator. But that's super cute. I do like things from Peri Para. I had a lip tint from them before, but it was like a crayon-esque lip tint. I don't know if I can find it. I don't think I see it there. The next thing in here is a Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. This thing is like 80% empty. Oh my gosh. I think a lot of it is on the lid, but this thing is definitely not as filled as you would expect it to be, but it is an eye cream, and eye creams usually do come in very small packages anyway, I guess. So I'm excited for that. I love eye creams. I love the parts of skincare that I do like are cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Those I have to do without fail. And then if I'm feeling a little bit extra, or if I have a little bit of extra time, I'll do like a serum and eye cream, and like those are the main ones that I focus on. And sunscreen. Okay, next in here is a box. It's the Kaleido. I wish I could read. Skin blush. Oh, it's a blush. It's talc free, that's good, and formulated with 100% plant-based ingredients. See, the funny thing is, like, I like when things are talc free, but then when it has talc, I never like switch it out of my makeup collection anyway, just because everything has talc. But like, honestly, talc is a little bit controversial, just because if you don't know about talc, it's like talc's like a powder that gets put into a lot of makeup, especially like powder makeup, because it just gives you a better like formula. But then talc itself isn't bad. It's just when you find it in nature, a lot of the times it's contaminated with, I forgot what it's called, but it's contaminated with something that's like a known carcinogen, and that means like a known thing to cause cancer, but who knows. And then like if you really want to get specific with it, I guess you'd have to like message each company and try to figure out where they get their talc from, and then find out if that's like a known contaminated talc region or whatever. Anyway, that's a tangent. This is cute. It's a little Kaleido Cosmetics skin blush, and it says soft as skin blush. Is that the shade? I guess that's the shade. Is this a blush? I'm really happy there is a mirror in here, but is this a blush? What is this? This is a friggin' highlight, right? A very like natural-esque highlight, or maybe like a blush topper, but I'm not the biggest fan of like shimmer or like that much of a sheen in my blush. Yeah, I would totally use this as more of a natural highlight than a blush. But there's a mirror in here, and that's cool. The next thing I got in here was the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. I have a very unpopular opinion of not liking matte for the most part. I like their mist, but oh, this feels good. It feels like more of a moisturizer than like a primer. It feels really good though, like really smoothing. Maybe I like MAC. Maybe I should give them more of a chance. I like tried them a long time ago. The lipsticks were too drying, and then it's just, I don't know, I think they hype themselves up too much, and then that makes me like not like them as much. But this feels really freaking good, so I want to try this out. Ooh, my hands are super like, it feels almost silicone based, but then like not that silicone based. On the fingers it feels way more silicone based than it did on the skin. Okay, so the next thing I have in the bag is the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum with green tea seed. I don't really think, I have to read the back of this because serums don't really come in like this. Serums come in like droppers, so this looks more like it's not for my face and it's supposed to be like for my hair, I feel like. But let's read. It says it is intensive hydrating serum with green tea seed. I already said that. It's lightweight balanced blend of Jeju green tea extract and green tea seed oil, locks in hydration from the very first drop. After cleansing, apply evenly to face and neck and then pat for full absorption. The normal serum that I use is the retinol serum. I usually use like retinol because I'm not old, but like I'm scared of getting wrinkles, so I use retinol and like vitamin C or vitamin A type of serums a lot. And so this one's interesting though because it has green tea, and green tea just does so many good things for your skin. So I am really excited to try this out, and you get a full fluid ounce in here, so that's actually pretty good for a sample size because serums usually come in smaller bottles anyway. Is that everything? That's everything. There's nothing left in here. What am I most excited for? I love eye cream, I love serum, I love lip tints, and it's super cute. I don't even know if I like it because of it or the packaging. Look how cute this is. This is just interesting. This isn't like a try on, but I'm gonna put this on my face. I'm gonna put it on top of my highlight, though I think my highlight is a little bit more bright than this one. Oh, it looks so much more pink in here, but then on the face it just turned, it's so golden. That might be in conjunction with the highlight that I had on earlier though, so that might be the case, but this does look good. I like it. Okay, I actually am really excited about this bag. I got like a good mix of skincare and makeup, so that's really exciting, and I just really like everything. It's just looking at this, like, I need to grow up, but this looks so cute. I'm not even usually one to like gravitate towards like cute makeup or whatever, but I'm sorry, that thing is so cute. Alright, so before I tell you for another 8 minutes that the thing is really cute, I'm gonna go. If you want to check out more of my videos, click right there. If you want to subscribe, click up there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.